Welcome to our YouTube channel on Job Discovery. The topic going look today is circle. So friend, read this question. The radius of the circle is 13 centimeter and the length of its chord is 10 centimeter, right? Find the distance of the chord from the center. Our target to find the distance of the chord from the center. So see here, this is center of this circle, right? The radius of the circle is 13 centimeter. Means radius means this. This is a radius, right? This length is 13 centimeter. Its chord is 10 centimeter, right? So chord is 10 centimeter. So draw it like this. This is a chord. Chord length is 10 centimeter, right? This is A and this is B, and assume this is O and this is center, right? So radius is 13 centimeter. So draw like this. This is also radius, right? And this length is 13 centimeter. Because radius is 13 centimeter, so you can draw anywhere in the circle, right? So radius is 13 centimeter and our target to find the distance of the chord from the center. Means this is a center. So draw like this, right? So total chord length is 10 centimeter. Between A and B, chord is 10 centimeter. So half will be 5 centimeter and here 5 centimeter, right? Half 5 and half 5. This is a 10 centimeter. So see here friends, this is a triangle and this length is given and this length is given. Our target to find the distance of the chord from the center. So find the chord from center. So our target to find this length. Okay, so by the Pythagorean system, see here. Suppose this is a P. So OP square is equal to AO square minus, sorry, don't give that. So N OP, no, AP square. So OP is equal to AO square is AO this, so 13 centimeter, right? Minus AP square is AP 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter square. So OP is equal to 13 169. 13 square is equal to 169 minus 5 is 25, right? So subtract it. OP is equal to 4 1. So OP is under root 144, right? So OP is equal to 11 into 11 under root. So OP is equal to 12, right? So OP is, this distance is 12 centimeter, right? So this is the answer of this question. Our target to find the distance of the chord from the center here to here, right friends? Okay, so move to question number 2. Question number 2 is, the length of the common chord of two intersecting circle is 24 centimeter. If the diameter of the circle are 30 centimeter and 26 centimeter, means there are given two circle. One circle diameter is 24 centimeter and 30 centimeter and 26 centimeter. Then the distance between the center in, okay, so our target to find the distance between the center. So see here friends, this is a one circle and this is second circle, right? In this question given common chord, so see here, this is a wrong. Common chord means it will be like this, right? So common chord from here, assume P this point and assume this point is Q. This is a common chord, right? And this is a center of this circle and this is a center of this circle. Common chord circle is 24 centimeter, okay, two intersecting, and circle is 24 centimeter if the diameter of the circle are 30 centimeter and 26 centimeter. So this dia is here, like draw like this. This centimeter is 30 centimeter and draw like this. What is this? 26 centimeter circle will be half of diameter, so draw like this. So this will be 30 centimeter and radius will be half of diameter, so radius is 30 centimeter, also will be this radius is 30 centimeter, and draw radius here this point, so it will be 15 centimeter, right? Because diameter is 30 centimeter, so half of radius will be half of diameter, so this is 15 centimeter, also this is 15 centimeter. So friends, our target to find what is, 1 minute, this mobile is getting off, okay. So our target to find distance between the center, this line, our target to find this line. So see here friends, this lane is given, this distance is given, and our target to find this line, right? Friend, this distance is given 24 centimeter. So this area will be, because dividing two part, so this area will be 24. This line is 24, total 24, so this will be 12 centimeter and this will be 12 centimeter and 12 centimeter will be 24 centimeter. So we have this and this, we need this, so use Pythagorean system. 13 square minus 12 square will be this line. So suppose this is S and T and this is O, so SO is equal to 13 square plus 12 square under root, right? So 13 square will be 169 minus will be 144 under root. SO is equal to so 5 and 2 and 0 cancel, under root 25. So ASO is equal to 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter here to here. Now we need total distance, this center to this center. So see, like this, 15 square minus 12 square. So OT is equal to 15 square minus 12 square. So 15 square will be 24, 2 to 5 and 144. OT is equal to so 1 and 8 and 1 cancel. So OT is equal to 81 under root, total is under root. So OT is equal to 9 centimeter. So we need total this here to here. So 5 centimeter plus 9 centimeter. This is 9 centimeter. Okay. So 5 centimeter plus 9 centimeter. So ST is equal to 14 centimeter. So 14 centimeter is the answer of this question. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe our channel and share with your friend who is preparing exam. Thanks for watching.